Communities across the region are, of course, preparing for tomorrow's conditions.
NBC5's Lindsay Jones spoke with state and local emergency response teams to learn how they're prepping for the storm. She joins us live in our Rutland Bureau with more on this, Lindsay.
Well, here in Rutland, officials say they're well equipped and ready to handle Friday's projected heavy rain and wind. Seth Bride, Deputy Fire Chief, told me that while the department isn't too worried about flooding, their main concern is the wind and potential power outages. Emergency officials in Rutland say, unfortunately, these kinds of weather events have become more and more common in the last few years. But it's made the Rutland Fire Department confident in their ability to respond effectively.
They are always prepared and ready to go.
Deputy Chief Seth Bride says that although chances for flooding are low, they have a water rescue team and 2 boats on standby.
Otter Creek is only forecasted to get to about 6, maybe 6.5 feet tomorrow with the storm, which is not flood stage as of yet.
And in any chance his on-duty crew becomes too busy, off-duty staff will be called in. At the state level, Eric Forand, Director of Vermont Emergency Management, says his team is keeping an eye on conditions and coordinating with smaller towns.
We reach out to municipalities if we see something there. But in general, we just keep situational awareness of it until a town will reach out to us asking for specific resources.
He says the snow melting and rain will lead to full waterways that they will keep an eye on.
We're looking at potentially some streams reaching bank full. At this point, none are expected to actually crest over their banks or flood.
But the state is also prepared with search and rescue and mutual aid teams in case. He says that the state's procedures have remained consistent, but that many towns have introduced new response initiatives after big impacts in 2023.
We've seen towns definitely step up in the past 2 years and understand that they have a response initiative to get out and do these things prior to make the ramifications less.
And Forand says making a plan beforehand is the best way to get through outages.
Setting up that kind of outline of what you could do in the event of a disaster beforehand, so you don't have to figure it out in the immediate aftermath of a disaster or during a disaster. Really kind of laying that groundwork and setting that plan up in advance.
Forand says you have to know what will happen before you can react to it, so make sure you're aware of the conditions and staying safe when the wind picks up. And Bride says if you see power lines, do not go near them, but call 911. Rutland City Fire works closely with the Department of Public Works and Green Mountain Power to secure and fix problem areas in these situations. In Rutland, Lindsay Jones, NBC5 News.